Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set a max capacity to an event on Partiful. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you host an event and realize that there's actually a lot of people going. How do you actually go ahead and set a max capacity? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that first you're going to go ahead and go into the Partiful app. Next, you're going to click on the event that you're co-hosting. And then on this page here, you want to click on the edit button on the bottom left hand corner. Now once you've done so, you want to scroll all the way down to where it says quick actions for hosts. You want to click on more, and then you want to click on limit plus ones. Now once you've done that, you're going to see a variety of different options here. You want to click on max capacity, which right now I have it turned off. So click on max capacity, and then for here what we're going to do is that we're going to insert the number of 30 people. And then click on done. So there you have it, guys. We've now set a max capacity to 30 on this specific event. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.